Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Ram Hare Ram Hare
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदी गौर भक्त वृंदा जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदी गौर भक्त वृंदा हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगतपते गोपीश गोपी कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदानेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये। तो श्री राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की जय।
Jai.
हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन।
हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna, everyone.
हरे कृष्णा। शिक्षा प्रभु जी हरे कृष्णा। So continue reading Srimad
Krishna everyone.
Bhagavatam. So कल हम लोग 25th श्लोक पे थे of chapter 2nd, या सेकेंड अध्याय ऑफ कैंटो 3। तो इसमें उद्धव जी कंटिन्यूअसली महात्मा विदुर को कृष्ण भगवान के बारे में बता रहे हैं, उन्हें पूरा कृष्ण भगवान का स्मरण हो जाता है, एंड देन ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द वेरियस एक्टिविटीज ऑफ लॉर्ड श्री कृष्णा। तो जैसे कल हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे, उद्धव जी बता रहे थे कि अजेन अभियाचित है, यानी कि ब्रह्मा जी, बाय लॉर्ड ब्रह्मा जी ने प्रे करे तो फिर वासुदेव जी और देवकी जी के वोम में रीजन ऑफ द किंग ऑफ भोज लॉर्ड श्री कृष्णा appeared. Yeah. And then we'll continue reading from here. Shlok 26. Anil?
Yeah. Tatto Nanda Brajamitaha Pitra Kansa Devi Bhyata Ekadash Samastatra Gurharchi Sabalo Basat. Thereafter, his father, being afraid of Kansa, brought him to the cow pastures of Maharaja Nand, and there he lived for 11 years like a covered flame with his elder brother Baldev. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So as we all know, 11 साल तक भगवान श्री कृष्ण महाराज नंद के यहाँ पे, राइट, नंद व्रजम इत है, सो नंद व्रजम इत है, वहां पे कितने टाइम रहे? एकादश समास, सो एकादश, राइट, 11 साल तक वहां पे रहे बलदेव जी के साथ में। एंड एज वी नो, बलदेव जी इज ऑल्सो मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा हिमसेल्फ। अरुण?
परितो वत्सपेर वत्संस कर्णे वृदहरत विभुः यमुनो पावने कुजत दिव्य संकुलितनम गृभ्यः। In his childhood, the Almighty Lord was surrounded by cowherd boys and calves, and thus he traveled on the shore of the Yamuna River through gardens densely covered with trees and filled with vibrations of chirping birds. Hare Krishna.
कृष्णा, राइट। सो वृंदावन के बारे में अपने को सबको पता है ना, ट्रेवल ऑन द शोर ऑफ द यमुना रिवर थ्रू गार्डन्स लाइक यमुना उपवने, या एंड you know what is important thing which is being mentioned here really is that, you know, these cowherd boys, right, the gopas, were great rishis and yogis in their previous births, and after many such pious births, right, so they have been, must have been doing like devotional service and devotion for like so many years. After so many pious births, they gained the association of the Lord, And not only they gained the association, they could play with him on equal terms. Yeah. So think about how fortunate those cowherd boys, the gopes and the gopis were. But this is all, I mean, not just by any chance. This is after so many pious births and and devotional service. And in fact, a very nice purport. Let's just read this. Sachin.
While playing with like a small child with his associates, the Lord killed many demons, including Aghasura, Bakasura, Pralambasura, Gardabhasura. Although he appeared at Vrindavan just as a boy, he was actually like the covered flames of fire.
Are you getting echo?
As a small particle of fire can kindle a great fire, so the Lord killed all these demons.
No.
No, it's fine.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Sachin. Yeah, go ahead, please. Yeah.
Okay. So, so as a small particle of fire can kindle a great fire with fuel, so the Lord killed all these great demons, beginning from his babyhood in the house of Nanda Maharaj. The land of Vrindavana, the Lord's childhood playground, still remains today, and anyone who visits these places enjoys the same transcendental bliss, although the Lord is not physically visible to our imperfect eyes. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So what is mentioned here is the land of Vrindavan. Anyone who visits these places enjoys the same transcendental bliss. Yeah, that's what is most important, Nisha.
Lord Chaitanya recommended this land of the Lord as identical with the Lord and therefore worshipable by the devotees. This instruction is taken up especially by the followers of Lord Chaitanya, known as Gaudiya Vaishnavas, and because the land is identical in the with the Lord, devotees like Uddhav and Vidur visited these places 5,000 years ago in order to have direct contact with the Lord, visible or not visible. Thousands of devotees of the Lord are still wandering in these sacred places of Vrindavan, and all of them are preparing themselves to go back home, back to Godhead. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So significance of Vrindavan. Yeah. Ajay?
कौमारी दर्शम श्रेष्ठा प्रेक्षणीया वज्रोकसाम रदुनिव हसन मुग्ध बाद simhavalokanah. When the Lord displayed his activities just suitable for childhood, he was visible only to the residents of Vrindavan. Sometimes he would cry and sometimes laugh, just like a child, and while so doing, he would appear like a lion cub. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Uddhav ji describe kar rahe hain ki Lord Sri Krishna, right, in Vrindavan or in Nandgaon, right, Rudan Eve sometimes would cry, Hasan Mugdha, sometimes will smile, laugh, but what he's saying is while doing so, he will be like Bal Singh Avalokana hai, right, like a lion cub. तो उद्धव जी इस प्रकार से कृष्ण भगवान को कंटिन्यूअसली याद कर रहे हैं. निशा.
स एव गोधनं लक्ष्म्या निकेतं सीत गोवृषं तारयन्यनुगान् गोपान् रणद्वेनु ररिरमत्. While herding the very beautiful bulls, the Lord, who was the reservoir of all opulences and fortune, used to blow his flute, and thus he enlivened his faithful followers, the cowherd boys. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, it says Ranat Venu. So he used to blow his flute and enliven all the followers, the gopis and gopals. And actually, let's just read this one. Anil?
जी हाँ. Over and above all, the Lord used to play his celebrated flute. The sound vibrated by his flute would give his friends such transcendental pleasure that they would forget all the talks of excuse me, Brahmanand, which is so praised by the impersonal personalists. These cowherd boys, as will be explained by Sukadeva Goswami, were trying for living entities who had accumulated heaps of pious acts and thus were enjoying with the Lord in person and were hearing his transcendental flute. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I mean, look, again, it's being mentioned, right? These cowherd boys, as will be explained by Sukadeva Goswami, were living entities like us, maybe, who had accumulated heaps of pious acts. Yeah. And thus were enjoying with the Lord in person. Think about all these people in Vrindavan at that time, and Lord Sri Krishna himself is there. And were hearing his transcendental flute. And in fact, the Brahma Samhita, I think some of us read this, right? In Brahma Samhita, if you remember, we had the 60 shloks of Brahma Samhita, which we read with the purport. And this is one of them, right? The Brahma Samhita 5.30 confirms the Lord's blowing his transcendental flute, right? Venum quantum arvind dulayataksham Bharavatam samsita buddha sundaragam kundarpa koti kamna vishesha shubham govindam adi purusham tamham bhajami. So Brahmaji said this, I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, the who plays on his transcendental flute. His eyes are like lotus flowers. He is decorated with peacock plumes, and his bodily color resembles a fresh black cloud. Although his bodily features are more beautiful than millions of cupids, these are the special features of the Lord. Yeah, so that's how Lord Brahma also described him, and that's how Uddhavji is also remembering him. Rasiksham Prabhuji. Krishna.
प्रयुक्तान् भोजराजेन मायिनः कामरूपिणः लीलया व्यनुतां स्तान् बालः क्रीडन् कानिव. The great wizard who were able to assume any form were engaged by the king of Bhoja comes to kill Krishna, but in the course of his pastime, the Lord killed them as easily as a child breaks dolls.
हरे कृष्णा. तो अपने को सबको पता है वृंदावन के बारे में, लॉर्ड कृष्ण के बारे में. In childhood, even though he was a small child, could lift Gordhan Parvat, and he, killed all the asuras and all that, right? So all these things Uddhav ji याद कर रहे हैं. And but यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं कि the Lord is the Lord at every stage, right? He may be playing like a childhood, but the Lord is the Lord at every stage. When he was playing just like a child on the lap of his mother Yashoda Maya, or just like a cohort boy with his transcendental friends, he continued to remain God without the slightest diminution of his 6 opulences, right? The 6 opulences we had read. He always had that. Thus, he is always unrivaled. This is Uddhavji mentioning about Lord Shri Krishna. Ravi? Ravi? Okay, Sachin?
विपन्नान विश्वानिपम. I'm audible?
Yeah, you can restart.
Yeah, we can hear you.
विपन्नान विषपानेन निगृह्ण भुजगाधिपम उत्थाप्य पापाय यद्यावसत् yoya prakrtistitatam. The inhabitants of Vrindavan were perplexed by great difficulties because a certain portion of Yamuna was poisoned by the chief of the reptiles, Palya. The Lord chastised the snake king within the water and drove him away. And after coming out of the river, he caused the cows to drink the water and proved that the water was again in its natural state. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा, राइट. सो कालियानाथ की स्टोरी भी अपने को पता है, उद्धव जी उसी को याद कर रहे हैं. एंड देन द होल रिवर प्रकृति स्थितम, राइट, बैक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल पर्पस, राइट, ओरिजिनल वाटर. Sachin.
आया जयदोत्सवेन गोपराजं द्विजोत्तमै वित्तस्य चोरुभारस्य चिकीर्षण सद्वीयं विभु Swadviyam Vibhu. Excuse me. The Supreme Lord Krishna desired to utilize the opulent financial strength of Maharaja Ananda for worship of the cows, and also he wanted to give a lesson to Indra, the king of heaven. Thus he advised his father to perform worship of Go, or the pasturing lands and the cows, with the help of learned Brahmanas. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So worship of cows, of course, we all know how Lord Shri Krishna is to love the cows. And it's mentioned that actually, let's just read this, Nisha.
By Lord Krishna taught human society, as he has instructed in the Bhagavad Gita also, that one should worship the Supreme Lord by all acts and by all their results. That will bring about the desired success. The Vaishyas are specifically advised to give protection to the cows and their pasturing ground or agricultural land instead of squandering their hard-earned money. That will satisfy the Lord. The perfection of one's occupational duty, whether in the sphere of the duty of oneself, to oneself, one's community, or one's nation, is judged by the degree to which the Lord is satisfied. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So what it's mentioning is the Vaishyas, right? The Vaishyas are the business community, right? Like we have Brahman, Shudra, Vaishya. So it's saying the Vaishyas who are the business community, right, are specifically advised to give protection to the cows. Yeah, so they should contribute for the Go Raksha and for the Go protection, right? The cow protection. And actually, and I, like some of us are Vaishyas, we should contribute. In fact, since we are on that topic, I want to say that, we have Rasik Shyamji Prabhu among us here, right? And Rasik Shyamji Prabhu actually is president of a Goshala in Virar area of Mumbai, right? So he manages that. And, I have been seeing the pictures and everything else. And I think it's nice to contribute there, because, on Rasik Shyam Prabhuji, just as our satsang, if you get a chance, definitely you can contribute to the cow protection there as well. Of course, anywhere else, but also you can contribute there, right? If you, since we are on that topic, if you want to get more details, just let me know. Okay, but that's the thing, right? Like the cow protection is recommended. Anilji?
वर्षतीन्द्रे ब्रजः कोपाद् भग्नमाने तिविवलः गोत्रलीला तपत्रेण त्रातो गुणता. O sober Vidur, King Indra, his honor having been insulted, poured water incessantly on Vrindavan, and thus the inhabitants of Braja, the land of cows, were greatly distressed. But the compassionate Lord Krishna saved them from danger with his pastime umbrella, the Govardhan Hill. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. We all know about the Govardhan Hill story, right? Gotra Leelat Patren Atro, like how Lord Krishna, picked up the Govardhan Parvat. So, Uddhavji is one by one, he's just remembering the whole thing about Lord Shri Krishna, Anisha.
शरशिखरै शिखरैर्मृष्टं मानयन रजनीमुखं गायन् कलपदं रेमे त्रिणां मण्डलमण्डनः. In the third season of the year, the Lord enjoyed as the central beauty of the assembly of women by attracting them with his pleasing songs in an autumn night brightened by moonshine. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah. Oh, and actually, she says, before leaving the land of cows, Vrindavan, the Lord pleased his young girlfriends, like gopis, basically the transcendental gopis. They are all the transcendental gopis. Again, like so many birds of pious devotion, they all came in Vrindavan. So the transcendental gopis in his Ras Leela pastimes. And here Uddhavji stopped the description of the Lord's activities in Vrindavan. At this point, he was describing everything about his childhood in Vrindavan. And this ends the Bhakti Vedanta purport of the third canto, second chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Remembrance of Lord Shri Krishna. Bolo Srimad Bhagavatam ki Jai.
Jai.
Giri Govardhan Parvat ki Jai. Yeah? So this is good. We already completed chapter 2. I think we still have 7 more minutes. So let's continue reading chapter 3. Yeah. And chapter 3 is the Lord's pastimes out of Vrindavan. So Uddhavji was remembering in Vrindavan. Now he's also remembering outside Vrindavan. So let's continue reading this. Sachin.
उद्धव उवाच ततः स आगत्य पुरं स्वपित्रो चिकीर्षया शं बलदेवसंयुतः निपात्य तुङ्गाद्रिपुयुथनाथं हतं व्यकर्षद व्यसुमोज सोव्यार्म. Sri Uddhava said, thereafter Lord Krishna went to Mathura city with Sri Baladeva, and to please their parents, they dragged Kamsa, the leader of public enemies, down from his throne and killed him, pulling him along the ground with his great strength. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So then the Kanswad, as we all know. Yeah. And then Uddhavji remembers the next one. Ajay.
Sandipane Sakrit Prot Brahmadhit Savistaram Tasmai Pradadwaram Putram Mitam Panchjanodharat. The Lord learned all the Vedas with their different branches simply by hearing them once from his teacher, Sandipani Muni, whom he rewarded by bringing back his dead son from the region of Yamlok. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Sandipane hai. So I think if you all know, have read, seen Mahabharata and all that, you know who was the guru of Lord Shri Krishna? Is Sandipani Muni. Yeah. And then Sandipani Muni in Diksha, he asks for his son to be brought back from Yamlok, and that's what Lord Shri Krishna gives him back. So I think let's do one more, or we can actually pause here. Yeah. But it's important thing is the devotees of the Lord who always engage in his loving service are never to be disappointed in the progressive march of devotional service, right? So, there's always like up and down and all that, but slowly and slowly, as we keep chanting, the devotional service becomes more and more stronger, becomes more transcendental in nature. And as we have read, the Lord himself reveals him to each of the living entities. Okay, so Hare Krishna, we are going to stop here. And actually, you know, yesterday we are listening about Hanumanji's Katha, and in between, you know, we had a break kind of. So today we'll complete the part where, you know, Pujya Sri Rajeshwaranandaji Maharaj is saying there is no one luckier than Hanumanji. Yeah, so we'll just listen to that again, and then we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, Hare Krishna.
राम सेवा हाथ में मुख में है राम नाम, राम सेवा हाथ में तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे, राम तेरे साथ में तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे, राम तेरे साथ में धन्यवाद निर्विवाद राम राम कहिए, धन्यवाद निर्विवाद राम राम कहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए, सीताराम 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 जय हो, हे सीताराम 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 कहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम ताहि विधि रहिए। तो श्री हनुमान जी रखे हैं मुख में मुद्रिका, मुद्रिका में लिखा है श्री राम नाम। तो मानो राम नाम जो मुख में रखे और भगवान की कृपा छाया के नीचे नीचे चले, उसको कैसी प्यास, उसको कैसी परेशानी। और यह सौभाग्य हनुमान जी को मिला, इसीलिए हनुमान सम नहीं बड़ भागी, नहीं को राम चरण अनुरागी। अब आरंभ हो रहा है सुंदर कांड। श्री हनुमान जी महाराज सभी वानरों से विदा लेते समय कहते हैं, तब लगी मोही पर खेऊ तुम भाई, तब लगी मोही पर खेऊ तुम भाई, तब लगी मोही पर तुम भाई, तब लगी मोही मोही तब लगी मोही तुम भाई, तब लगी मोही पर खेऊ तुम भाई, सही दुख कंद मूल फल खाई, सही दुख कंद मूल फल खाए, सही दुख कंद मूल फल खाई, सही दुख कंद मूल फल खाए। जब लगी